Alright, so today we're going to do a quick field test of the Kel-Tec P17. I'm only going to have 16 in it because we just got them in the mags. The mags hold 16. The 17th one is the one that's actually in the gun. I got that in the green. I will tell you, I like the feel of the gun. It's a little bigger. It's not as heavy as what the Ruger SR22 and the Walter P22 is. It has the same basic magazine drop as the Walter right here, but there is no hammer. It's an internal, so as you can see, it's kind of dark back there. It does have your green fiber optic sight. It's all polymer, plastic, whatever you want to call it. It does feel kind of nice. The safety is on either side, and it will fire if you accidentally drop the mag, where the Ruger SR will not. Here's the mags. They're all plastic. 16 round. So what we're going to do is we're going to I'm going to just try to set this up. I know it's going to be difficult to do. Not sure how I'm going to do that to where you can see it. I don't know if you'll be able to see that or not. And let me get some ears in. We're going to do just a couple mags through it. I don't want to go crazy. I want to try to take my time and then just kind of see how well it's going to shoot. Now I will say that I don't know if you can see that, but once I cock it, it does turn red back here to let you know that there is a shell in it. So I don't know if I could hold that. Well, you guys are going to kill me on these videos because of the way they're going to be looking. So my shots are going to be all over the place with me holding with one hand. So let me really try this with two hands here. So maybe they'll look halfway decent. Okay, and as you can see, it is the bolt holds open on your last shot. And then we're going to it doesn't eject the thing out as much as I would like. Well, let's try some more here. Alright, so anyway, like I was saying, it does hold it open on your last one. Has a threaded barrel, and I'm going to be honest with you, I really like the way this thing takes down because maybe when we get back in, we'll do a a quick review of it, because I'm going to be honest with you, the way the camera's set up, I don't think I can do it. But you take this and pull it down like you would with a Glock. Pull this back. This whole top piece comes off it, but since the barrel and the spring and everything stays right on the gun, so there's nothing to get a hold of to try to pick up. It just comes in two pieces. You just got this little top piece that is steel with your sights, and then the barrel and everything stays with it. So there's not a lot of pieces there that you're going to have to worry about losing. We do have a small Picatinny rail on the bottom in case you want to add a laser sight or anything. And the mag release, as well as the safety, is on both sides. So you can do it. There's not a lot of stippling there, but like I said, it's thin, but it's nice size. It does come with 3 16-round mags. Now, I'm not really sure. I haven't adjusted the sights. This is the first time it's actually been shot. So I'm shooting, let's just kind of step it off. Okay, so I'm at 38 feet, and there is the shot pattern. I wasn't really taking my time. I mean, I guess I was, but that's not bad for first time with the gun. I know everybody's going to say, yeah, that's kind of bad, but okay. Anyway. Just a quick review of it.